Give you a couple of examples of car crash cases that we've worked on that I think would be instructive as you consider whether we can help you with your case. One was perhaps, by all accounts, the largest settlement in a drunk driving case in the history of Virginia. It was a tragic case, a head-on collision, but we were able to come alongside this family, and after they walked away from a $10 million offer in mediation, they came back and successfully mediated the case for $30 million. Let me talk about a different case, a very different case, a gentleman who had severe back injuries before he was in a crash. He'd actually had a surgery before he was in a crash and was on disability. But then years later, after he had worked off disability and come back to work, he gets in a more minor crash, but we were able to prove that that minor crash was the straw, literally, that broke the camel's back and achieve a significant settlement for him as well. Finally, winning cases in federal court is tough. I was able to achieve a verdict for a young man in a car wreck, even though he had seen the driver drinking some beer beforehand. It really wasn't what caused the accident. We were able to show that and achieve a result for him in federal court in a trial where really people were thinking we weren't going to meet with success there. So now these examples are not necessarily applicable to your case, but they'll start our conversation so that you have an idea of our experience and our successes, and we welcome a conversation with you to see if we're the right lawyers to help you recover for the negligence that you've experienced on the road.